John here with Tomorrow's Tech. Guys, I know it's been a little while since I posted a video, and I apologize in advance. It's been a few months now. Started a new project at work, and it's been keeping me really busy, as well as being summer here in Texas. This year it's been getting 110-degree weather every day, so it's been really hot. It'd be really miserable to be shooting videos out in the garage right now. So guys, I apologize for that, but today I want to rectify that just a little bit. So guys, if you haven't had a chance to check out the Porsche technical support group, guys, here we got a new message from Daniel today. He wants to know if anyone knows a procedure for a new battery with the PIWIS-III for a Porsche Macan. Well, yes, Daniel, you're in luck today. We actually have our PIWIS out in the garage. I pulled it out. I usually put it inside in the summertime so it doesn't get hot out in the garage. But we've actually got it pulled out, so we're going to go ahead and flip this camera around. I'm going to take you guys out to the garage and I'll show you how to do this quick procedure. Alright, Daniel, I forgot to tell you my garage is just a little bit dirty right now, so Cora's gonna help me out here real quick. We're gonna clean this garage up real fast. I've been asked to do it a couple times anyway, so. And by the way, guys, it's almost Halloween, so we've been doing a little Halloween decorating here around the house, so you wondering about the skeleton back there on the bicycle. Alright guys, let's fast forward here a little while. So we've got the garage all cleaned up, we've got the car pulled in, we've got the key in the ignition, we've got our PIWIS with the VCM controller plugged in just under the dash there. Alright, so back here in the back, you're going to want to grab all the information off your battery. You're going to want the AGM information, you're going to want the cranking amps, you're going to want to get the serial number and manufacturer information all off of your battery before you get it in there. If not, just pull it back out, grab all the information you need, or take the top piece off. But here we are, we've got our system all hooked up. We're going to go ahead and log into the PIWIS-III. So we're going to go into diagnostics. Alright guys, so we just recognized the 970. We're going to hit continue. Going to hit gateway, maintenance repairs. We're going to click F11 and just do no. Alright guys, so once you finally get in, you're going to go in here and go to battery change. We're going to hit next, F12. Alright, so this is the area that you're going to go in and start making all your changes. So you can actually click into this box and pick which AGM battery you have. Click in here for the manufacturer. Battery serial number, battery part number. So once you get in here and change everything, you're going to press F8 to write it. Once you do that, you can hit next, and that will take care of everything that you need to do to program your battery into your Porsche. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and while you're at it, check out some of my social media pages below and the new videos I got coming out next.